Ladies and gentlemen, we now present to you a video message sent to us by the Honorable Prime Minister of Pakistan, His Excellency Mian Mohammad Shahbaz Sharif.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I would like to extend my deep appreciation to Dawn Media Group and partners for organizing this pivotal conference to contemplate one of the most pressing challenges of our time, climate change. Pakistan's climate story embodies a cruel paradox of our times. Our emissions are less than 1%, yet we are one of the most climate-affected countries with an unprecedented cycle of climate-induced floods, rapid glacial meltdown, blistering heat waves, and soil-cracking droughts. 2 years ago, 1/3 of Pakistan was completely submerged in floodwaters, displacing 33 million people and claiming 1,700 innocent lives, thus transforming climate change from a distant threat to an urgent call to action. Ladies and gentlemen, we inherited robust frameworks including the National Climate Change Policy 2021 and the National Adaptation Plan 2023. However, frameworks alone are not enough. Recognizing implementation gaps, we prioritized governance reforms, policy execution, and capacity building within no time. Initiatives such as 5E, 5C, as rooted in our homegrown transformation plan, Udan Pakistan, we are integrating climate resilience into energy, equity, connectivity, and development. Developing countries like Pakistan need more predictable, flexible, and grant-based financial support to build resilient infrastructure and invest in sustainable development. Without such support, the path to climate adaptation and green transformation will remain elusive. Therefore, let us make Breathe Pakistan a resounding call to action to ensure a cleaner, greener, and more resilient Pakistan for generations to come. Thank you, Pakistan, Pindabad.